Hi everyone, bonjour à tous. Today we are going to talk about the genders of a word, the masculine and the feminine form, le masculin et le féminin. Okay, so we know that there are two genders, masculine form and feminine form. Okay, so all the words are formed from these two genders. Okay, so in French also you can see le masculin et le féminin, so a masculine and feminine form that a gender that form. Okay, some words and their types to use in a sentence. So, first of all, both a masculine and a feminine form depends upon a word. A word in French is mot. Okay, uh, it means that a word may be in a masculine form and a feminine form. When we talk about a gender of a word, we immediately remember the personal pronouns, um, pronom personnel, okay? Le pronom personnel. So, in French, les pronoms personnels, when we say personal pronouns, okay? So, while talking about personal pronouns, we exactly remind singular, okay? So, uh, personal pronouns used in the singular, il and elle. Il means he, elle means she. Okay, both il and elle have been used in the singular form. And il and elle. Il and elle mean they, because elle is for feminine form, il is for masculine form. Il is for masculine form and elle is for feminine form. Okay, when you see this letter S, it means the plural form of a words, both L and il. Okay, so let's look at such an example to exactly explain you when le masculin et le féminin are used in a sentence. Okay, first of all, it depends on an article, then a noun and the adjective. If we use a gender of a word, we need to pay attention three categories. First is article, second is noun, and the third one is adjective. For example, the first example is a pay show. A pay show. Here you see a is article, means a, pay means a country, show means hot. A pay show means a hot or a warm country. Okay, a hot country or a warm country. A pay show. Okay, you see here the article a is in masculine form. The word pay means a country is in masculine form, and show has been used in masculine form. Okay, both article and a word, also an adjective have been used in masculine form. Okay, so this sentence is correct from the point of using a gender in a sentence. Okay, so the second example is une boisson chaude. Une boisson chaude. Une is an article like this, but here it represents a feminine form. Here boisson is a word that is in feminine form, and chaude is an adjective, is in feminine form. Okay, when we use an adjective in a feminine form, we add the letter e at the end of a word. Okay, chaude. And while adding the letter e to the end of the word, we must pronounce the last letter D, because we didn't pronounce that word when we used it in masculine form. Chaud and chaude. We pronounce D because of adding the letter E to the end of the word. Une boisson chaude. Une is article A, boisson is a drink, chaude is hot. Une boisson chaude means a hot drink. Okay. It is the first part of a gender of a word. The second part is it depends on both a noun, a noun means a noun, and a personal pronoun, pronom personnel. Okay, both it and it depend on a verb. Okay, un nom, le pronom personnel, depend upon verb. Okay, the verb. So let's look at the examples. Il est allé. Aller means to go. Il est allé means he went. You see, il is he in masculine form, at is verb, and aller has been used in masculine form. The second one is elle est allée. She went. Okay, so by the way, it has been in the past sentence. Okay, this sentence is in the past tense. Okay, so elle est allée. Elle is she, and in a masculine form, and aller also in a masculine form. So you see here, like at the first one, we had added the letter E to the end of the word. Okay, both the first one and the second one are pronounced like aller. Il est allé, elle est allée. Okay, so from this point of view, these sentences are correct from the point of using the gender of a word. Okay, so at the first one we knew that it depends on both a noun, that, and an adjective. You see here, when we look at the first examples, a noun depends on an adjective, but at the second examples, both a noun and the personal pronouns depends on the verb. Okay, so we need to pay attention to these rules. Don't worry about this, it is our first lessons. I will explain all the grammatical rules to you, and you will understand easily how to use a gender of a word in a sentence. I advise you not to worry I will explain everything word by word, article by article. So it is the end of our lesson. So bye bye, merci beaucoup.